Hey Tingers! My name is Natalia and today I'm gonna show these home decor kitty DIYs because you and Sandra, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, really asked for it. These are very easy to create and fun to see that your cats actually enjoy them. So here's what you need to create these DIYs. Tie some fishing line around the fish and secure it with a couple of knots. Decide how far up the vase you want your fish to be, then measure out accordingly with the fishing line, then cut the excess off, then attach your tiny fishing sinker right onto the bottom of the line. If you're using these types of Pac-Man fishing sinkers, you need to use a plier to close it up. Add your water plant into the vase, then add as many stones as you like. Put the fish into the vase and then hide its anchor underneath some of the stones. Pour the appropriate amount of water into the vase and then just enjoy the view. Turn your bowls so the bottom faces upwards because we need to glue some magnets onto the bottom. And you need to use magnets that aren't too thick so they won't create a gap between the bowls. Make sure that the magnets are facing the right way so they attract each other underneath the bowls. Put some glue on the other side of the magnets and then glue them onto the bottom of the bowls. Because my magnets are quite weak, I had to use 6 in total, so try to use magnets a bit stronger than mine. Another option is to put glue right here where the bowl meets the surface and then glue them together, but that's totally up to you. Otherwise, put some cat food in it and let your kitties enjoy it. We need to attach hinges onto the nail brushes, and you need to put some glue on each side of the hinge. And you could and maybe should use a plier to hold it while you're putting glue on because it will get very hot. So glue the hinge onto the back of the nail brushes and then press down to make it stick properly. Tie a long piece of ribbon around the leg chair that you want this to be attached to. Then cut any excess pieces off. Then fold it in half and then cut it in half. Put some glue on the edge of each nail brush and then attach the ribbon. Tie it around a leg chair and then just let your cat go nuts. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out of any future videos. And if you're looking for more interesting DIYs, check out these videos here, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!